Hey y'all, so today is my birthday. I'm 31 today and we're going out for brunch downtown at Mimosas Gourmet. So I'm excited. I heard got good food, good drinks. So we are at Mimosas Gourmet in Downtown Stockton, and since it's my birthday they have this deal where if you're able to finish a giant mimosa in under 30 minutes on your birthday, it's free. If not, pay for it. But I'm down for a challenge. I know I can do it, so I'm excited, I'm thirsty, I'm ready. I can do it. Hi, Erica. Erica and Brian's here. And Jen is here. Say hi. Hi. That big ass one, shout. That one's hella big, but I think it's those ones over there. But their food looks hella good. I can't decide what to order. But Jen told me to put my menu down.
Yeah, don't trust me anymore. You're gonna change your mind again.
So
that's how you stop.
I'm going for the crab. What is it? Crab, shrimp, avocado, Benedict. Yeah. But a lot of stuff sounds good, huh, Jen?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I'm stuck. I can't pick. I haven't decided. That's why I can't close my menu yet.
I'm closing it. I ain't scared, Brian. Good. It's looking so delicious.
Chili verde.
Chili verde.
Some potatoes.
And some potatoes. I got, and beans. I got like a seafood Benedict or whatever.
Crab and shrimp.
Jen, what you got? Crab and shrimp, avocado. What you got, Jen?
I got the corned beef hash, dude. Look at this shit.
Oh, that looks hella good.
You heck?
Yes.
The crispier, the
Erica,
better.
what did you get?
Steak and eggs.
Steak and eggs, yes.
Yes.
Everything's looking real good, y'all. Cute.
Oh, water sorry. Oh, sorry.
Oh, wow. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my God, it's hella big. So the 30-minute has started. Look how big my drink is.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. I ain't scared. Look at Jen.
Sorry.
She said dinner's already food, right? Excuse me. Oh my God, I'm almost halfway.
Yeah.
I was hungry. Jesus, the fact I didn't eat anything.
I told you. Once you get like down to the ice, you're good. Johnny, please don't vomit in my car.
Oh my God. Whew, am I there yet?
What is it?
I don't know if I can do it. So Johnny, it's your birthday. You still got 20 minutes left. I know that.
I'm cold. Brain freeze. Look at all this ice.
Is there an extra reward? Can I get some ice in my drink?
I didn't think that there was a record to beat.
Here's the record.
Oh, yeah! Yay!
Ring the alarm. I'm done. 1 o'clock. I don't know what time we started, but.
Oh no, you finished it.
Oh my God.
You still have like 20 minutes left.
Oh, they got fruit too, y'all. Cheers. Fine, when you finish. I'm done and they're all chilling. The cute little drinks. I'm full and a little bit bad still. We can't eat no more. How about you? Clean everything up, guys?
Yep.
Okay, so they said the fastest person has drank this whole thing in 4 minutes. The fuck? What kind of alcoholic? Bitch! No.
Somebody that we know.
And it's like somebody we know. I love you. Thanks, Brian.
Alright, honey. Happy birthday. Bye, Jen.
See you later. Air hugs. Y'all, I got another pumpkin chai for my birthday reward or birthday drink. And I'm feeling these autumn vibes. Yes. Huh, Jen?
Heck yeah, you got that try too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's supposed to be raining and shit, but now it wants to be all sunny. I guess. I like the sun. It's still warm.
Feels good.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie.
Tofu.
Toe first?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's hot.
Huh?
It's good.
Okay.
Yes. Up. The hot wax is hot.
Yeah, hot wax. Hot. Feel good?
Feels good, yes. Well, that was so fun. That was my first pedicure. It was very relaxing. At one point when they're like buffing my actual feet, that shit made me so ticklish. I wanted to laugh hell hard, but I didn't because I was a fucking professional or whatever. And my favorite part was the hot wax. I felt like I stepped on a candle, but it felt really good afterwards. We're having dinner at Smitty's Wings, one of my favorite places in town. One of the best chicken wing spots. My favorite flavor here is the garlic chili. So I'm gonna get that. Alright, Kuna says I have to open her gift now, which is this. We got blue cheese. What's that one? Garlic chili and ranch. All the goodies. This is my favorite garlic chili. This one is sweet and it's savory.
John, you want to be healthy or whatever? Want some salad?
I don't know if I want to be healthy, but I do want some salad.
It's your birthday, huh? You drink a giant drink. It's your birthday.
The drink is so big, I'm barely going anywhere. One of the reasons why I love Smitty's Wings,
Amy, give me that roast drink.
Oh, you need to get a bite?
it's crunchy. Oh wait, paper saver. The fries are hella good. They're hella crunchy, huh? Everything crunchy, huh, Ellie?
What's one is crunchy good for
The
you?
blue cheese, you wanna try some? Well, why are you scared? It's good. I used to hate blue cheese, but I'm a grown man. I love blue cheese now. You grown man?
I built my own.
Oh, you built your own?
I did.
Wow.
I got olives, ham, and bacon.
Yes, wedge salad.
It was so good.
Whoa, wow. Whoa. Wow.
We gotta go to
Happy birthday to you.
200.
How y'all do that? How'd you let that up?
Ooh, how'd you do that?
like that.
Wow, the fan. Don't blow it, fan.
on fire. No,
That's like
we thought
cream.
about that.
Keelan?
Oh, Johnny, just let you know, it looks like trick candles. Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on. You got it. I can't.
You know you can blow harder, bro. Come on. Quarter bear on there.
Logan, wait. Hey, we did you a favor and only gave you 3. He said 1 for every 10 years. Oh my.
Go over there.
Jerry feeling good. Is that a good culture?
Another trick there.
You tired?
That's off an alarm.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. That fan is reigniting it. Stick it in the ranch. That one's sparking. You're gonna get the ketchup, buddy.
Oh, fire.
You gotta wet your fingers.
Oh. Don't spit on it.
Yeah. Take it out.
Wow.
Magic.
Lucky I was done with that.
Thanks, guys. I do get hangry a lot. Do I know what it is? Oh my goodness.
Pickles. Are you pregnant?
Oh wow.
Oh, for the birthday boy. Oh, those are really cool.
Unicorn cereal. And you can color it.
Sorry. Ranch, cheese, garlic, chili, and the fries.
Wow.
It comes with a shopping bag.
And a lot of protein shakes. And a shopping bag. Save 10 cents.
And coupons for free stuff.
Thanks. My favorite protein shake.
Johnny,
Smelts.
Johnny, there's a card too. That goes with the gift.
Wait, that's not a card. That's cardboard.
3-pack combo salad with high speed salad. 6-pack combo fried garlic chili.
A little bucket on the side.
Wow. Oh wow, grocery outlet. I love to shop there, guys.
Can I go with you?
Oh, hurry. I do. Okay, this one's from Coolinda. It's in my phone. Change it. When you change your number too much, you get a new name. Oh, Coolinda, you know what I like. Almond roca, my fave. Can you focus on it? Yes. Oh, what is this? Is it what I think it is?
No, she didn't.
It is Tamiya.
You haven't yet.
No, does it come with tickets? No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding, Nicki Minaj. Thank you. I actually did not have this yet. Thank you. I love Tamiya, my fave. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Okay.
Alright, see you guys.
Okay.
All right. What the? Should we cross the street? Oh yeah, let's put some stuff away. Ah, what the sucker? What? Why the hell did you do that to me? Why? Why, Amy? Why? Why the hell did I fall for that, first of all? I can't.
Oh, she's mother.
Yo, tell me why the old people were more scared than I was. Fucking Amy scared them halfway to death. She was taking this off of somebody's grandma. Alright y'all, that was an awesome dinner at Smitty's. Dude, their wings and their fries are so crispy, crunchy, delicious. Even Guy Fieri came here and co-signed it. And the staff, super friendly and awesome. Thank you guys for accommodating my giant family. And yeah, now we're off to go bowling, Pacific Bowl.
The battery is low.
Alright y'all, we are not at Pacific Bowl, we're at West Lane Bowl because there's a league. So we are gonna play pool for a little bit.
Bet you got my
Where? What, Daddy?
There, you can't go to the bar. The pool bar is in the bar.
Can't go.
Sorry.
He can't go in
You
the
gotta
pool.
chill outside.
No, he can't go in.
Oh, he can?
No, he could chill in the corner, like right before you go into the pool area.
Oh, don't smell that.
Outside.
Oh, Jesus. Don't, I told you close your nose, close your mouth. Amy got me some scratchers. I don't always have the best luck, but you know what? We're gonna try anyway. Let's go. You got a quarter, you got money? Okay, you got a penny?
You don't play with the penny.
Oh, what do you play with? $1?
25 cents.
Oh, just me.
No. 25 cents.
Okay.
Wow, $10. You got money.
Amy, this is a gift. Ooh, wait, do I have to get those first? The winning numbers?
Yeah. Scratch the winning numbers.
Okay, we're gonna scratch the winning numbers. 23, Jordan, 7, Lucky 7, 27, and 13. 24, my favorite number. And 35. And
Hopefully you get the fast spot.
okay, fast spot. Come on, fast. Come through, fast spot.
Nope.
27. Told you, I'm unlucky. Unlucky hoe. Nothing. Alright, y'all. It's time for a challenge. Pool challenge. Me and Amy versus Kuli. You ready? Pool challenge?
Pool challenge? Oh shit, I haven't
I've never played. Let's go. I can't. Kuli, get your chalk. I can't.
It helps it though.
Cool, you have to put each finger into the hole.
Oh, look, crackhead. I can't.
I'm not saying my face though. Actually, no.
It's right. Don't matter.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Oh, my It's so kind of like. Oh, I did it.
Hit the top. See it jumping.
Wow, Ellie. I can't. Well, no.
Really, Ellie?
Hey, hit the red. Hit the red. There you go. You got it. See, I told you. See that? You said it fully though. You said it fully though. She mad though.
Who is?
That wall right there. Oh, she blocked it though. Oh!
Solid or you strike?
It's solid.
Get this one.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Put it right here. Put it right here. Just hit that butt like that. Go ahead. You got it.
Nice. Johnny, go ahead. Go back. Yeah. Yeah, 9. Well, Johnny got it. Oh, you know you're good. Betrayed me.
Justine is here. She's trying to kill me, y'all. Another LC shot.
Birthday. That's like too long. Tissue or whatever.
Another one? Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Right?
I had bad luck. I already told y'all.
I have a lucky song.
I mean, I ain't even trying to. You ready, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It's like too bold for me. I can't do it.
I know. It's hella big. Cheers. Woo! Damn.
Oh, my eye. I'm tickling my eye.
The pineapple goes good with it. Balance. Go, Kulinda. Y'all, my score is not good, but it is. My birth year, 87. Oh. So as I was editing this video, I noticed that I never film outros for my videos. I always have too much fun to just get caught up in whatever we're doing. But anyway, if you made it all the way here, I want to say thanks for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more videos like this. I plan to make more videos like this where I'm checking out new spots such as the Mimosas Gourmet or some of my classic favorites like West Lane Bowl, which I've been going to for years, since I was a kid actually. Also, I do plan to make more videos on wellness and health, fitness, of course food. So leave a comment below if you have any recommendations on what kind of videos you want me to make and what places you want me to go to, because I love exploring my city and all around California. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. And once again, hit subscribe if you didn't already.